Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find and print your Amazon receipt. This is incredibly useful when you need proof of purchase for returns, warranty claims, or expense tracking. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your purchase history. Now, although I don't have any orders displayed right now, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'd see and do next. Once you're on the Orders page, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases organized by date. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific order you need the receipt for. Each order will have its own section with details like the order date, total amount, and items purchased. Once you've found the right order, click on View Order Details. This action opens up a more detailed page showing everything about that particular purchase, including shipping information, payment method, and individual item prices. This is where Amazon keeps all the important documentation for each transaction. On this Order Details page, look for a button that says View or Print Invoice or simply Invoice. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your region, but it's typically located near the top or bottom of the order summary. Click on that button to proceed to the next step. After clicking, you might see options like Invoice or Invoice 1, especially if you've had multiple shipments for the same order. Select the appropriate invoice option that corresponds to the items you need printed. Amazon will then generate a PDF document containing your official receipt. The invoice PDF will appear either in a new browser tab or in your browser's PDF viewer. This document contains all the essential information, including your name, shipping address, items purchased, prices, taxes, and the total amount paid. It's formatted professionally and acceptable for most business and personal record-keeping purposes. Now it's time to print. Look for the Print button, which you'll find either in your browser's toolbar or within the PDF viewer itself. Click on Print to open your system's print dialog box. From here, select your printer from the list of available devices. Make sure your printer is turned on and has paper loaded before proceeding. Finally, click Print again to send the document to your printer. Within moments, you'll have a physical copy of your Amazon receipt ready for whatever you need it for. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to access and print any Amazon receipt whenever you need one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.